Namaskar, welcome to this lesson of Learn Bharatnatyam. In today's lesson, I am going to share with you Kataka Mukha Hasta Vinayog. If you haven't checked the Vinayog playlist, I will link it over here and in the description box below. So, from Pataka to Kapitha, you can find the Vinayog with the meaning in that playlist. One needs to understand the Vinayog is the basic step of the Abhinaya. So, whatever action you are doing, try to put all your emotions into it as if it actually happening when you are demonstrating the Vinayog. So, for example, the first Katakamukha Hasta Vinayog, first line says Kusuma Vachaye. So, basically you are plucking the flowers or collecting the flowers from different trees or creeper or different bushes, all of that, right. So, one I am going to keep my left hand as a plate where you are going to collect it, and I am going to use Kataka Mukha to show plucking the flower. Okay. Now, first look at the flower, admire it and then collect it. Kusuma Vachaye. So, while doing this, you can also travel from one place to another. You can show different levels as well. Yeah. The next line is Mukta Stragdanam Dharani Tatha. Mukta means the pearls, to show the pearls. Now, you can sit in Muramandi as well and like just imagine that you are watching in the mirror and go Mukta Stragdanam, show that pearls first, Dharani Tatha, as if you are watching in the mirror. You can do that by standing as well. Mukta Stragdanam Dharane tatha Sharamadhyakarshane cha means pulling the arrow in the center of the bow. So, actually anchoring the arrow to the bow. Okay. So, we are going to show the bow first. You can show it this way as well. Sharamadhya, madhya, center. Karshane cha. You can use pratyalidha as well, or you can just use your concentration in the swastika position as well. Sharamadhyakarshane cha. So, now make sure that actually you are aiming to something. Sharamadhyakarshane cha. Nagavalli Pradhanake. Nagavalli is actually a pan. The concept of pan is very Indian. It's an edible leaf for people who are not Indian. Just to know that it helps us in the digestion of every meal. So, people still use pan as a after meal digestion medicine. Okay. So, I will link the whole description in the description box below, you can check that. We are going to sit in Muramandi position, Pataka. We are going to show the leaf with a pataka. Okay. We are going to clean the leaf. Okay. Then we are going to cut out in the middle of the leaf the slight, if it has something, just cut that off. Now, the leaf is not edible like this. I mean, it is edible, but there are multiple ingredients which goes into that. Okay, as I said, I will just write all the description in the description box below. So, you put all the ingredients in the center of the leaf. Okay, so you put that with the Kataka Mukha. Now, you are going to fold that leaf in a particular way and offer to someone, Pradhanake. So, the action looks like Nagavalli Pradhanake, and it is also a kind of seducing action. It can be a seducing action, or it can be a particular love or affection towards that person to show pradanake. Kasturikadi vastunam. Kasturi is a musk. So if you all know that there is a particular deer and which is very rare, in his belly you get the musk. Okay, so you show the deer first or deer first. You can use Sihamukha also, or you can use actually Mrigashirsha also. And then with the Katakamukha, crossing my foot back, I am going to show musk. Okay. Kasturikadi vastunam. Vastunam is the things which you have. Okay. So you can show Kasturikadi vastunam. Vastu. Vastunam, thing. Peshane. Peshane is basically pounding. So earlier times, people used to have this particular stone, and on that anything which has a medicinal property, or if you want to make paste of something, they used to actually pound on that particular stone. Okay, so that's the action we are going to show. You have to hold that thing with both Katakamukha and pound. Okay, so Peshane. Gandhavasane. Gandhavasane is a fragrance or the smell. Okay. Gandhavasane, to show anything which has a beautiful fragrance or the smell of something. Gandhavasane. Next is Vachane. Vachane is saying something. Vachane. You can use it to show the promise as well. We say that word, my word to you, that can be also a meaning, but vachane is basically saying something. Vachane. Drishti bhavepi. Drishti bhavepi is the eyes. Okay, so to show the eyes. Drishti bhavepi. Kataka mukha ishyate. These are the usage of Katakamukha. Now let's put this shlok together or Vinayog together and do it. Okay, ready? Kusuma vachaye muktastragdanam dharane tatha sharamadhyakarshane cha Nagavalli, Nagavalli, Pradanake, Kasturikadi vastunam, Peshane, Gandhavasane, Vachane, Drushti bhavepi Kataka mukha ishyate. I hope that this will help you to understand the Katakamukha Hasta Vinayog. I will see you in the next lesson. Until then, keep dancing.